Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy baby Dogecoin on Kucoin. As you can see, it is with USDT. Let's go to the Kucoin. Once you are here, you will need to have USDT on your assets. So if you don't have it, just deposit it from, for example, Binance. I will also leave a Binance link in the description below for you to check out. Or you can just buy it like so, by clicking buy crypto and paying with, for example, USD, and paying with a Visa, MasterCard, or some other options. Now, once you will have USDT in your account, you will go to trade and spot trading. And from here, you're going to go ahead and search for a coin right there at the top, which is baby Dodge. Here it is. So at the top, you will see buy. Click on buy option. And as you can see, you will also need to go ahead and enter the quantity. And after that, you will be able to buy it and you will see it on your assets of your Kucoin. You will see it right there. And yeah, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.